2015 question 10b, we have all this information here to tell us that dc dx is equal to m of x, and we're told m of x is equal to this. Find c of x. Go back and read the information as we go. So we can say from here dc is equal to mx dx. So dc is equal to 74 plus 1.1x plus 0.03 x squared dx. We'll just go down a bit and integrate these. And just asked to find the cost function, so between 0 and c to find c. I'm going to integrate that to get c. Between c and 0 is equal to, just to find between 0 and x to find x. So integrating 74, we're going to get 74x plus 1.1x squared over 2. I think I'll just write that as 0.55. 1.1x squared over 2. That's x squared. And then 0.03x squared will be 0.03x cubed over 3. So just simplify that to be plus 0.01x cubed. And that will give us our x and our c. We can put the bands out probably and just see that. If you want to write an extra line, that's our x and our c. And then go back and read the question. The cost function is given by the equation c of x, which we now have, is equal to this variable cost plus f. So just don't forget the f. So c, or c of x, is equal to this f plus 74x plus 0.55x squared plus 0.01x cubed. I think this is one of these questions where maybe do the math first and go back to the question. Sometimes they can be a little bit confusing. Now, I think this is a substitution. Find the increase in cost if the company decides to produce 160 instead of 120. So C of 160, this is just calculator use, and C of 120. Fixed costs stay the same, so we can eliminate those. So just type this into a calculator. Don't think I can do this one without. Hard to believe this is actually what's involved here, but it is 74 by 120 plus 0.55 by 120 squared plus 0.1 by 120 cubed. Type each one in twice just to double check or even triple check if you have time in an exam. C of 160 and C of 120 are equal to 66,680 and 34,080, giving me a difference of 32,600. And I can't read my own handwriting when I write down from the calculator. That was an 8, not a 6. 32,800. So double and triple check. That mistake was not in there on purpose. Part 3. Who wrote this question maybe never got the right one again. This is also substitution. C of 10 is 3,500. Find F, fixed costs. So C of 10 is equal to 74 by 10 plus 0.55 by 10 squared. So we can't do this one without a calculator. Plus 0.01 by 10 cubed plus f equals 3,500. So 3,500 is 740 plus 5, moving the decimal 2 places, plus 10, moving the decimal 3 places, plus f. So 3500 is equal to 805 plus f. So 2,700 take away 5 is 2,695 is equal to fixed costs. Pretty straightforward question, even though the huge amount of information given, it's always a sign when they dress up the question with loads of words that it's always a lot easier than it seems.